And the Coast Guard may have found the sunken inter-island vessel Our Lady of Mount Carmel in waters off Masbate. The vessel sank off Burias Island recently, resulting in the deaths of at least 2 persons. 7 others remain missing. Noel Perfecto has more.
Philippine Coast Guard authorities is closely studying the image of a sunken ship in Masbate Bay, where 2 people have reported died. Coast Guard spokesman Commander Arman Belilo says that the divers used an instrument called Echo Sounder in order to search and identify the submerged marine vehicle.
Yung last sortie nila, they were able to have parang to see sightings based doon sa Echo Finder, 1,000 meter depth niya, at parang yun yung barko. So, ongoing yung pag-verify ng findings ng Echo Sounder. At once na malaman na confirm na yun nga yung barko, then mag-uusap ulit yung NDRMC, tsaka yung Coast Guard, tsaka yung other agencies.
Because of this, the Coast Guard and other agencies are continuing their search and retrieval operations of the 7 missing passengers of Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Meanwhile, authorities are still trying to figure out how to remove the aground Vietnamese cargo vessel, which was carried by strong waves and heavy winds to the coast of Legazpi, Albay.
Patuloy pa rin yung towing operations. Ang latest report natin, hindi pa nakaya ng 2 towing vessel na atake yung barko doon sa San Roque barangay doon sa Bicol.
Regarding the passengers of a motor banker which capsized in Concepcion, Iloilo last Saturday, June 10, 4 are dead and 3 are still missing, while 8 passengers survived.
Yung sa Iloilo, isa na lang po yung inahanap, 6 ang natagpuan na, at puro patay po lahat yun, 8 yung survivors. And isa na lang yung inahanap sa kasalukuyan, but pagpapatuloy pa rin po yung search and rescue operations.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.